Winter, 1944. Allied aircraft own the night skies over western Germany and Alsace. The Luftwaffe is battered, but not gone. German jets, rockets, flak, decoys, and secret weapons are all real possibilities. Then American night fighter crews begin reporting something else. The reports come from the 415th Night Fighter Squadron. These are not civilians watching the sky from a field. They are combat air crews flying dangerous missions in darkness, trained to look for enemy aircraft, ground fire, and navigational hazards. Their complaint moves up the chain. Lights that blink, change color, come close, and sometimes appear to fly formation with Allied aircraft. The crews do not claim certainty. They claim the opposite. They cannot explain what they are seeing. That uncertainty is what makes the file compelling. On January 16, 1945, 12th Tactical Air Command forwards the concern. The report says crews are being followed by lights and that the encounters are keeping them on edge. 1st Tactical Air Force asks for specifics: color, intensity, size, altitude, direction of travel, time observed, and whether the lights might be attached to enemy aircraft. By February, the matter has reached SHAEF, Supreme Headquarters Allied Expeditionary Force. Air Commodore C.M. Grierson writes that the number of reports suggests something more than mere imagination. He does not leap to conclusions. He asks for technical intelligence. He asks the Air Ministry. He asks scientific personnel to consider the problem. The system is doing what a serious military system does: gathering reports, testing mundane explanations, and trying to protect crews from surprise. The British Air Ministry replies in March. Bomber Command crews have also reported similar phenomena. Some cases may be Me-262 jet aircraft, others may be flak rockets, but the answer is not clean. The Air Ministry admits the evidence is sketchy and varied, and no satisfactory explanation can yet be given. Then another object enters the file: a vertical, aluminum-colored cylinder, about 12 feet long, seen at 9,000 feet. It is attacked, partly deflated, and produces a red flame without smoke. Photographs are requested. The photographs fail. That is the spine of the story, not proof of extraordinary craft, but proof of institutional uncertainty. The file shows Allied intelligence trying to understand strange wartime aerial reports using the tools it had: pilot testimony, ground control checks, photography, technical intelligence, and comparison with known German weapons. The most grounded conclusion is also the most interesting one. These reports were not dismissed immediately. They were investigated, escalated, and left partly unresolved. Before the modern UAP era, before saucers became a cultural symbol, Allied crews had already given a name to the things they could not identify in the night: Foo Fighters.